Hi guys. So I think this is the aftermath. This is the aftermath of lightning caught on camera, heavy rain. It's the aftermath, and the rain's pretty much not going anymore. There's a little bit of raindrops right there that you see. Yeah. So it's the aftermath. It's the aftermath of lightning caught on camera, heavy rain. Yeah. So yeah, the rain's pretty much stopped. Yeah. It's pretty much stopped. Yeah, well, there's some raindrops. Well, they're probably coming from the roof right up there, the roof. Yeah, the roof. Yeah, the roof of my apartment. And the other apartments, because I live in an apartment building. So it's probably coming from the roof of the apartment building. Yeah. I'm gonna end this video right now. Yeah, sorry if this is a really short video. Actually, I want to record more, so never mind. Yeah, it's pretty good view. Yeah. And this is my apartment. This is where I was recording from. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah, I was recording on this brown chair or something. This brown chair. It's brown chair. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you left a like on the other video. Lightning caught on camera. Heavy rain. Yeah, and you could like this video too. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video.